Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and the walk around video for the 420i M Sport GRAN COUPE presented in Alpine White. Alongside being presented in the very nice Alpine White, we have of course also fitted a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit that also includes a brand new set of 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels, which as you can see there. It is also a 2017 plate, so we do also have the very nice facelift, so that includes facelifted front headlights, and I'll point out the rest of the facelifted items as we go around the car. We've got down the side gloss black BMW air breathers, our gloss black sidebars and satin side vinyls, along with those very eye-catching alloys. You'll see there that all of the additions made by ourselves do work very nicely with the lines and exterior colour of this GRAN COUPE. Moving on to take a glance at the interior, where again we've got a nice contrasting black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options. It's a 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Your interior trim makes up of the aluminum and Estrel blue accents, as you can see there, and we'll show you off the rear seats, which once again are a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, centre folding armrest, and you do of course still get the darkened M Sport headlining. Again, as you can see there, being all brand new, all 4 wheels are unmarked, as you can see on this side. Moving towards the back, we've added a satin rear boot spoiler, high gloss rear diffuser for this car, and again as part of the facelift, BMW introduced these very sharp looking LED rear lights, automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals the very large boot space, and you do also have the chance to remove both the top and bottom partial shelves to make more space, along with split folding seats. Round at the other side of the car, you can see there once more that the Alpine White works very nicely together with everything we've made in addition to the car. Before we head on inside, just one last look at the wheels. Real standout feature to any car, of course, especially when they are this nice looking brand new set of alloys. So within the car, of course, we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run yourselves through just a few of the features and functions of that, starting of course with the sat nav. As you can see there, Bluetooth for telephone and audio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs to keep you covered right the way through from your DAB, your music collection, USB and AUX inputs. This vehicle has only covered the very low mileage of just over 9,000 miles, as you can see there. I did mention it's got that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, so we get the lovely flappy pedals. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Being that it has covered just over 9,000 miles, we have got full BMW service history with the car, and the next service is not due for 15,000 miles time, and we've got full BMW service history, including a pre-delivery inspection service. That is the first service there, and the most recent visit to BMW was a service for the brake fluid, which is of course always a nice peace of mind knowing that the car has been extremely well looked after. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around, and hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do want some further information on the car regarding prices and funding options, you can always check out the link in the description, and that will take you through to our website where you can view more options on this stunning car, along with all of our other amazing examples. Thank you once again. Do of course take care and goodbye.